Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And y'all, we're going to do something a little bit different today. Have you ever tried a product that you just really loved and you want to shout it out to all your friends? That's what this is. And it's sort of an embarrassing thing to talk about. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it because I wasn't sent this product free for review. I know I do get some products like that. This was not one of them. This I chose to purchase on my own because I had heard such wonderful things about it. And I bought Lume. Lume is the product, Lume. And I bought it back on Black Friday. They had sales. Listen, they always have sales going on, always. And they have different scents and they have different products, different styles of things. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about Lume first of all. Dr. Klingman, Dr. Shannon Klingman, created this product for women, but it's also for men. Also for men. They have some men-scented ones as well. Dr. Klingman, she's an MD, and she's an OB/GYN. When she was a resident, she noticed time and time again women came to the doctor with complaints about odor below the belt. She said, I saw how body odor, whatever the source, was undermining the confidence and self-worth of women everywhere. So for the better part of 10 years, she worked on finding a solution. I'm going to read her words exactly. I was able to prove through clinical testing that the real culprit of most body odor is actually the bacteria on the skin, and it digests the bodily fluids. The same reaction in our underarms happens everywhere on the body. Your pits, your underarms, your under your boobs, under the girls, tummy folds if you have them, thigh creases. She goes on to talk about private parts, your bottom, your feet, even your feet. So bacteria is there on our skin and it digests our bodily fluids, and that's where the odor comes from. So if we can kill or keep the bacteria from forming, then we won't have the body odor. So Lume blocks bacteria from digesting fluids on your skin like sweat, blood, urine, other bodily fluids, and prevents BO from happening in the first place anywhere on your body. So if you have an issue with anywhere on your body, of course, most people have always worn deodorant or antiperspirant on their armpits. And I am a heavy perspirer. This is a deodorant. It is not going to prevent perspiration, but it will prevent odor. So when it says what started as a quest to solve feminine odor has become an opportunity to give you, along with people everywhere, the confidence to live your best life free from body odor and self-doubt, men and women. So she goes on to say that it's not just for your armpits. Okay. It's for, under the girls. It's for your belly buttons. She says a lot of words that I'm not going to say on here, but your private parts, front and back, and your feet, even your feet. Some people have really stinky feet. So, especially like in summer, if you're having to wear, if you're playing football or something and you're wearing heavy shoes, and your feet get really stinky. So this works on that kind of thing. What it does is Lume stops the odor before it starts. So it's clinically proven to block body odor all day and continues controlling body odor for 72 hours. It's aluminum free, it's baking soda free, and it's clinically proven safe for your skin. So it does not have any parabens or phthalates either, or SLS, I'm not sure what that is. And there's a money back guarantee, and I do have a discount code. I think it'll save you 5%. I'll have that in the description. It's not a big deal to me if you use that discount code. If you do, great. I don't know if I get any recognition for it because, like I said, they didn't send this to me free for review. I paid for these products. It's not inexpensive. So I was wary about doing it. It's about $35 for a couple of items. But I got mine on sale. And what I just got a new order in. I got the cream. It's an invisible cream. And I got the solid deodorant. So I got these two items and they were on sale for $28.98. Normally they would be, this is $14 for this, $14.99, and this is $19.99. And you think, oh, forget it, Mary, I can't afford that. I'm not going to listen anymore. Keep listening, because these two products well, mine are a little bit different. Let me show you what I have. They've lasted me. I got them probably somewhere. I ordered them Black Friday, and I got them a week or two into December. I don't remember exactly. So I got the Invisible Cream, which you use just a pea size. That's all you need. It's just like a green English pea or a bean. That's all you need. So this is lasting me a long time. And then I also got this, which I didn't know enough about it, didn't read. This is an Invisible Cream. This is a solid. I thought I was buying the solid, but I didn't. So what this does is when you open it up, see there's these holes up here, the cream comes out of there. So what I do with that, I turn it up, the cream comes out in those 3 spots. I put it under my arm, I put it over here, and I take everything off of here, and then I use my hands, and then I have some left on my hands, and I put them under the girls. Okay? And then this you can put elsewhere. You can do this under your arms as well. You don't have to buy more than one product, but they do offer groupings that'll save you money. So you think, all right, $30, $35, I can't pay that every month, because maybe you use a regular stick of deodorant every month or so. I still have kept my antiperspirant, and I have not had to open a new antiperspirant. I hardly use it because it's been wintertime. So the true test for me on the antiperspirant will be, well, I know this works. So, but I'll use antiperspirant. I'll use that in the summertime. So, but it's worth the price is what I'm trying to say. So if you are not a heavy perspirer, you're going to have no trouble. But because I perspire heavily, I tend to perspire less than I used to since I've been through menopause, but you can put this behind your knees. Some people just in your elbow cracks. If if you sit all day like this and you get sort of wet here, you might have some odor. You can put it in your belly button, like I said, or like under the girls, and then on your private parts. It's safe, it's effective, it is tested, it does not harm your skin. So it is safe for people that have allergies. You should always look at ingredients though. All right, so when I bought this originally, they have scents. They have, tangerine, they have a floral scent, they have a spruce scent that to me would be more manly. And they had unscented. So that's what I got, was unscented. Let me tell you something, y'all. I about died. This smells so putrid. And I thought I would just drop dead from it. I'm like, oh, I can't go out with this. Well, the reason is, all right, you put it on, and as soon as you put it on and the smell is gone. Really, seriously. But I like unscented things, because if I want to smell like something, I want to put on perfume or something. I don't want to smell like another scent. But they have a new formula now. And the reason that this smells is the basic ingredient, but they have a new formula. It still has the basic ingredient that is what keeps the bacteria from growing on you. It is the malicylic acid, which is funny because that's in some of our skincare as well. I think that's what it is called, malicylic acid. It smells very strong. It's very putrid smelling. So, but as soon as it dries on your skin, you don't smell it anymore. But what I decided, they have changed the formula, like I said. I thought, well, let me try some of the scented ones. So once you open these things, this says it lasts for 12 months, the tube. So I have not taken the seal off of this, but I'm trying the lavender sage. But I won't open this until I'm done with this, because this will probably end up lasting me December, January, February, probably 6 or 7 or even 8 months, y'all, because you use such a small amount, okay? This, I don't know how much is left in it because it's liquid, so I can't really tell. And I don't know that I'll be able to tell on the stick, on the solid. I did open this because a solid, it still says that it lasts 12 months, but a solid isn't gonna get to the air too much, I don't think. I mean, I opened this I didn't take this off, but I got the tangerine in the solid. Yeah, no, I can't smell it. I'm gonna take that off. Ew, it smells nice. It's very lightly scented, but see, now that's a solid. I do like a solid for under my arms. but I'm, you know, I paid a lot of money for this. I'm not gonna not use it. And it's working just fine. Plus, they do have a money-back guarantee. So anyway, I'm gonna put these in my cabinet and save them for when I'm done with those. And when I got this deal for the $28.98, they offered me, as I was checking out, a mystery item for $5. I'm like, $5 for whatever they give me would be well worth it. So they sent me this. See, they also have body wash. So this they sent me, you know, I didn't get to tell them anything about myself. This is a sandalwood citrus, it's called, and it's an acidified body wash. So it's powered by mandelic acid. So that is what keeps us from smelling. I think I opened it up so I could smell it. Maybe I didn't. No, I didn't open it. I'm going to open it up now to smell it because this is going to go right in my shower. You know, I love my sponge gels and I have shower gels and things, but I'll try this. Oh, it smells very nice. It's the sandalwood citrus. I smell more of the sandalwood. So, very neutral. Anybody could use this. It looks like it's a clear gel. I don't think you'll be able to see it in there, but I'm going to try that. And I'll let you know how I like it. I did look this up, and the 2.5 ounces, they have a 4-pack of these for $33. So that makes it $8.25 for this, and I paid $5 for it. So I'm happy to try something new, especially, you know, with a cheaper price. So I just had to tell you all about it because, first of all, it says it's good for 72 hours. Now, I will tell you, I have not tested it that long. No, I shower every day. How? Smudge came up. I have tested it a little bit. I've been sick a little bit lately, as y'all know, here and there. So when I've been off and I may have gone 48 hours, maybe a little bit longer, and I'm not stinky. But that's, you know, if I go out, I'm going to have a shower every day. So I just wanted to tell you, it does say on the back, made with skin-safe ingredients. And then it is aluminum-free. So check it out, y'all. If it's something that you've been wondering about and thinking, I can't spend that kind of money if I'm going to throw it out. First of all, it's your money return. Full refund if you're not satisfied. It is wonderful. It's wonderful. So I think you'll really, really enjoy it. And men and women, both. So y'all, thanks for stopping by to see Lume. And I am going to get off of here and play with him a little bit, I guess. And I'll let you know how I like the scents. It's going to be a little while before I'm able to use those, because these others that I got are going to last me a little bit longer. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye bye.